Welcome friends, welcome to e-master class. I am Swaroop. Today we will read about parts of the sentence. In the previous class we have discussed about sentence, what is the types of sentence according to structure and purpose. Today we will discuss parts of sentence. A sentence can be divided into two parts. Any sentence can be divided into only two parts. One is subject and another is predicate. Any kind of sentence can only be divided into two parts. One is subject and another is predicate. So first of all, we will know that what is subject. The subject of the sentence is what or whom the sentence about. Subject कौन ना subject होचे sentence सही part जहाँ पाएंगे से sentence टा जहाँ पाएं से sentence टा तैयारी है that is called subject. Or we can say that when we ask a question, when we ask a question of who or what, when we ask a question to find the answer of who or what, when we ask a question to find the answer of who or what, the answer of who or what is called the subject. So subject हम यूज कर ले कौन से सेंटेंस टा जहां पाई ही था ताकू कहा जाए subject. Okay, clear? What is subject? Now it's come to predicate. Simply we can say that rest of word except subject is called predicate. Subject को छाड़ी दला परे बाकी जहां रहिला से हला predicate. But predicate is the part of the sentence that tells what the subject is doing or something other about the subject. Predicate tells the activity of the subject or something about the subject's nature, subject's behavior or something else. So predicate is the part of the sentence which said or which tells something about the subject or something about the subject's work. तो सीधा सीधा कहया गले प्रेडिकेट कोन करे ना सब्जेक्ट रो काम गुण धर्म ए विषय रे जणे. तो बुझियाला सब्जेक्ट का कहया जाय, सब्जेक्ट का कहया जाय ना व्हिच गिव द आंसर ऑफ हु एंड व्हाट, एंड प्रेडिकेट का कहया जाय ना जे सब्जेक्ट रो कार्य धर्म गुण ए सब विषय रे जो सेंटेंस रो जो पार्टी सब्जेक्ट रो धर्म कार्य गुण ए सब विषय सूचना दिए ताकू कहा जाए प्रेडिकेट. नाउ कम्स टू आमे जानिबा जे सब्जेक्ट ता केते टाइप सिंगल वर्ड मल्टी वर्ड ना कोन सेंति प्रेडिकेट ता सिंगल वर्ड ना मल्टी वर्ड ना कोन एति जानिया पई कोन करबे आमे किछि एग्जांपल नबा से एग्जांपल नै कि आमे जानिबा जे सब्जेक्ट ता केते टाइप रो हे पाइबो. सब्जेक्ट सिंगल वर्ड भी हे पारिबो मल्टी वर्ड भी हे पारिबो आउ सिमिलरली predicate also single word ही परिबो multi word ही परिबो. most of the sentence केस रे कोन होए ना subject first हुए किंतु किछि सेंटेंस अछि जोठी कि सब्जेक्ट लास्ट को पड़े जाए से बुलिया किछि एग्जांपल भी आमे नबा. सो नाउ कम्स टू जब एग्जांपल नै कि आमे बुझिबा सब्जेक्ट की टाइप रो ही पारे. सो नाउ कम्स टू एग्जांपल, दैट इज एग्जांपल फॉर सिंगल वर्ड. I go एडी कहा विषय को आला I mo विषय. So who answer is the answer of who is I. So I go jai, that is verb, that is subject and that is verb, that is predicate, that is single word, that is also single. Similarly sun shines. Here the answer of who is sun. Answer of who answer of sun, then shines means verb. Surya chamake. Similarly this is called single word subject and single word predicate. Now comes to multi word. The fat boy ran very fast. So here who run very fast? The fat boy. So this is totally is called SW or subject word is the fat boy is subject. So this is total is called subject word. So the fat boy ran very fast. Here ran is what? Very fast. So this is called predicate. Similarly, now Ram's father is a doctor. Who is a doctor? Now Ram's father. This is double word, multi word. So Ram's father is a doctor. So kahar bapa doctor? Na Ramor bapa doctor. So Ram's father is our subject and is a doctor is our predicate. Similarly, if you come to imperative sentence where subject is omitted, always subject is omitted. Let's take an example. Go there. Go there. Here the command is given to who? That is you. The subject is you, which is omitted. Similarly, second, close the door. Who is the subject? That is you. The subject is omitted. So here the subject is omitted and the whole other thing is predicate. So what you know that what we read, that the subject can be a single so the subject and predicate can be single word, multi word and in imperative sentence the subject can be omitted. As we discussed that in most of the sentences the subject comes first. Most of the sentences subject comes first. But there are some sentences where subject comes after the predicate. For example, here comes the jury. Here the subject is the jury or the judges. Because here comes, this is the predicate, this is subject. Similarly, here are some wild strawberries. So here are some, this is predicate, this is subject. So in some cases predicate come first and subject come last, but in most of the cases subject comes first, predicate come last. So it is all about subject, predicate and part of the sentence. Next, if you like this channel, so if you like this class, please subscribe my channel E Master Class and like if you want classes in other chapters.